What's up, hello buddy? Todd Trav here, and welcome to a kitchen tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make potato chip dip. So first, you're going to take some sour cream, open it up, like this. Oh, this one hasn't even been opened yet. Take the cap off eventually. Peel this off if you still have it on, which I do. Set to the side. Then you take a spoon and scoop some sour cream out and put it into a bowl. Alright, and leave the spoon there because you're going to need it later. Then you take some ranch and you pour it into the bowl. Not too much, not too little. And then you're going to take your spoon and stir it all up. Stir. Alright, so it should look something like that. And now time to taste it. I'm going to take a very odd looking potato chip, dip it in my dip that we just made, and eat. Good job. So you want to try some? Oh, that's right, you can't eat the TV screen. Haha, or whatever you're watching on. So, sorry about that. But anyways. This is Todd Trav with a food tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!